So I really want to drink some of my coffee, but I can't because I need to show you guys how I get glowy skin without spending my money. So these are really inexpensive products, and in comparison to Fenty Beauty, where you'd be spending a fortune on your money for body lather, and it's not necessarily going to give you that amazing bronze look. So I'm going to show you a dupe, and this cost, I'd say, under £20, okay? So you need a brush. I've got this Body Glow, High Glow, that I shimmer oil. I got this from Superdrug, and I think this cost me about £5 to £8. I also got this Skin Glow from Boots 17. I believe this cost me about £6 to £7, but I'll leave everything in the description below. And then I've got the MUA highlighter, which cost me £3. So I'm going to apply this all over my chest so that it blends nicely with my face, because I use the same products for my face as well, and I just added gloss. So this is how you get a nice bronzy looking skin for under £20. Stay tuned. So I'm going to start off with my body oil. I'll just put that up, like, for the purposes of this video. I use my brush to sort of go around my chest. I want to capture your shoulders as well, because light hits those areas. And just let that dry. So you can already see the glow. I've got a lot of chest acne. Now that my body is glowing like a mofo, I'm going to take my High Glow, Instant Glow Tan Liquid from 17, and I'm just going to put it on that same brush. This is the consistency of this one, right? So it's a lot thicker, and the oil gives it like this oily look, whereas this one gives it this look. So I'm actually going to use this to cover my acne as well as here. So you really So now that you're glowing like the sun, right, you're going to take this, which is the MUA Absolute Gorgeous highlighter, which is yellow, and I feel like it mimics the Fenty one as well. So see, I'm saving you guys like £80. So you'll just highlight the key areas, okay, so that they pop. Highlight key areas. And so, yeah, you're like a flippin' glow doll right now. And and so what I tend to do is when I'm going out, I just tend to apply some Fix Plus so it stays nice and put. Yeah, there you have it, guys. I always say when you're going for that glow, It should kind of mimic your face, so you just look nice and bronzed, and just make sure your makeup goes with it. Just add some gloss, add some highlighter to your tear duct, and you just look really nice and shiny, you know? I hope you enjoyed this video, so I'll catch you in my next one, as I will be doing a summer outfits video, so go and check it out. See ya!